Mental wellness is as important as our physical health. Just as we track our physical progress, whether it's fitness goal or health data, we should also have a tool that help us keep a track of our emotional and mental state. And that's how Serenity Tracker was born. Hello, my name is Yashraj, and I have built a full stack project which consists of Spring Boot microservices and Angular. This project is called Serenity, which is a fusion of my interest in technology and deep belief in the importance of mental wellness. Talking about its architecture, this is built using a Spring Boot microservices and Angular 19 for its front end. For the security, I have used JWT authentication, and for the database and storage, I have used MySQL. Now, talking about my app, let's quickly move on to the features of it. This is an overview page, the dashboard of Serenity Tracker. Now, to begin with the project, firstly, we should tell us how the user register or log in. So let's quickly move on to that. This is the page where user registers to enter the Serenity. Let's register a user. We will simply put some credentials and provide a secure password and enter register. As you can see, the user has been successfully registered and moved to the login page. Now quickly log in. And yes, now enter the login. And as you can see, the user has been successfully registered and logged into the Serenity app. Now, the first thing he sees is the user dashboard, which is comprising of some grids. Firstly, we have a daily code section, which is consisting of some motivational quotes, uplifting carousel, consisting of some images, a soothing music to calm your nerves, a mindfulness tip section just to provide your brain some activity, a contact section for emergency, and a mood match game just to enlighten you with some serenity insight. Now, moving on to the main features of the app, we have firstly a mode log section. Mood log section is basically when a user wants to tell us about how his day was, and he simply needs to come and register his mood on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's say if the mood was 7 and simply submit its mood. As yes, you can see the mood has been successfully submitted. And after logging the mood into the Serenity, the next step is the journal section. Journal section is your personal journal entry where you can tell us about how your day was, and in short way, you can store your data about how your particular day was. So let's say we want to put some entries, and we'll say this is my first entry. Hello, Serenity. And once the user press on add entry, the journal has been successfully submitted, and you can even view your entries in the previous entry section. And yes, that's how it works. Now moving on to the other feature, which is a user weekly insight section where he needs to simply select a day, tell us about his sleep hour of that day, tell the screen time, and also the mood. Now, after selecting all this, simply press on submit. And now you can see a graph has been formed. And this graph has been formed using ng2 charts and chart.js. Let's put up some more entry just to know a better idea of what the app works or the graph works. As you can see, the graph has been formed. Now moving on to the suggestion section. This is a personalized suggestion for each user based on his stress level, screen time, and sleep hours. The chat, the Serenity generates some chat or you can say suggestion based on the stress level and screen time of it. Now moving on to the comfort bot section. This is an AI chatbot built in Serenity, and it is built using standalone components, which is a HTTP request response system based. And yes, you can communicate with it like, "Hi, how was your day?" And you can even ask for some help as well. "I need help." This chatbot helps you communicate with and provide you some solution and even also guide you about what Serenity Tracker offers you. Then we have a AI peer chat section where you can communicate with the users that are registered to Serenity without actually even revealing your identity. You can simply ask for any kind of help, and as you can press like I need a friend and post your message. Now what happens is once you press on enter, your message gets posted to the app where your identity doesn't get revealed, yet people can come and try to help you. So, hey, we can be friends. You can reply to any kind of person. This section basically is designed to provide help to users and provide a positive environment in their life. Then we have a notification section that provides some reminders, alerts, or tips to the user. And lastly, we have a profile section where user can upload his profile photo or even change his username. Let's simply put up a photo and enter save. And yes, that's how this profile section works. We even have a theme. We can choose between a light and dark theme, and based on your requirements, whatever you're comfortable with, you can choose this theme. So yes, that's it from my side, and that's all from Serenity. Thank you.